Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I tried doing yoga for my first time following one of Lamicke's videos on YouTube. So I'm going to post the link to her channel on the description box. So please make sure you follow, and if you like doing yoga you can follow her and subscribe to her channel.
So let's get started. We're going to start today in puppy pose. So bring your hands to the top of your mat. Your hips are stacked on above your knees. So your hips are above your knees. Bring your elbows, bring your arms to the mat, and you can bring your skull to the mat. You want to have just slightly in a back bend, and your knees are stacked. Your hips are stacked above your knees. The back of your feet on the ground, and you feel a stretch. I feel in the puppy pose, I feel an intense stretch on my shoulders and in my upper back. Take a couple of breaths here. Inhale and exhale through the nose. And I welcome you to set an intention for your practice. And with the next inhale, we're going to slide the upper body, our whole upper body to the mat. Lift your chest, bring your hands, your elbows underneath your shoulders, and we're going to make our way to Sphinx pose. Take a couple of breaths here, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Next inhale, lift up, exhale, look to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, look to the left. And then next inhale, plant your hands under your shoulders, your toes on the mat, and lift all the way to downward dog. Find your downward dog, your first downward dog for the day. So your body may be still tight from the night. Take a few walking dogs, and you can widen your stance. Your legs can be a little bit wider than hip right. Your hands can be a little bit wider than your shoulders. Find what feels okay for you today. Next inhale, lift your right leg all the way up and step your right leg between your hands. Bring your knee to the mat and come to a low lunge. You can stay here in your low lunge, or you can lift your left knee from the mat and try to grab your left foot with your right hand and try to guide it towards your upper body. Look to the right. Inhale, lift your hand, come all the way back to low lunge. Plant your toes, lift your knee, and then step all the way to plank. The first plank, inhale here, exhale, lower, chaturanga halfway, and then inhale, open up your heart, come to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. 2 breaths here, through the nose, in and out. Bring your right feet on the mat, left leg all the way up to three-legged dog, and then step it all the way to the front between the hands, and find your low lunge on the left side. Open your heart, you can come to your fingertips if it feels good to you. You can stay here, and if you want to, you can lift your left knee from the mat, and then try to grab your left ankle, your right knee from the mat, and try to grab your right ankle with your left hand, and look to the left. Inhale and exhale, release, and come back to plank. You can stay here in plank, or you can take a chaturanga. Inhale, exhale, calm down halfway, and then inhale, open up, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. You can do a walking dog if that feels good to you. Plant your left leg. Lift your right leg all the way up. Bend your left knee, your right knee. Open your knee to the right. You can look to the right, over under your elbow, under your shoulders. Don't forget to parts of the body. Inhale, exhale. Bring your left knee, your right knee to your nose. Come in a plank. And then guide your leg back all the way to three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose, hold, and then place your right foot between your hands. Place your left foot on the mat, your toes pointed to the left, tucking your belly button, and then lift to warrior one. Inhale, exhale, come to warrior two, open your hands. And next inhale, go to reverse warrior. And then cartwheel your left hand, your right hand to the mat, left hand to the sky, twist, and then bring both hands back to the mat. And step the right leg back to downward dog. Inhale through the nose, in and out. Maybe your body's already warm in this position. We're going to do the sequence on the left side. So plant your right leg on the mat. Lift your left leg all the way up. Bend your knees such that your feet are pointing towards the mat. And then look to the left under your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. The next inhale, come back to three-legged dog. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose, plank. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to nose, hold. 3, 2, 1, and then place your feet on the mat. Both feet are placed on the mat. Right toes pointing to the right. Tucking your belly button. Lift your hands all the way up. Warrior one. Exhale, open your hands parallel to the mat. Warrior two. And then reverse your warrior. Left hand lifts to the sky. And then cartwheel your hands to the floor. Right hand towards the sky. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands back to the mat. And step the left leg back into a plank. You can stay in a plank or do it in your on this side. Inhale here, exhale, flow all the way down. Open your chest with an inhale, upward dog, and then downward dog. Exhale, couple of breaths here. And in the next inhale, bend your knees. You can step, you can walk all the way to the front, or you can hop to the top of your mat, so your choice. If you want to hop to the front,